of us has some belly fat. Even people who have flat tummies, this is normal, but too much of it can affect your health stronger than other types of fat. Being overweight does not always mean being unhealthy. There are many great examples of overweight people who have excellent health. On the contrary, there is the same amount of examples of people who are skinny but face some metabolic issues. All that happens because under the skin fat does not cause so many health problems. It causes only discomfort from the cosmetic point of view, doesn't it? The real monster is the fat in the abdominal cavity, also known as the belly fat. Not only does it bring you health problems, but also it is one of the most difficult types of fat to get rid of. Hence, belly fat is more than just an irritant that makes your clothes feel tight. How can it bring health problems? You might ask. Here is the answer. Some fat is right under your skin, on the other is deep inside around your organs, liver, heart, lungs. This type of fat is called visceral fat, and this is fatty type, which is bad even for slim people. Well, don't get disappointed so fast. We know some of visceral fat though. Guess why? Yes, because it acts as cushions around your organs, but again, you should know the measures because too much of it can cause high blood pressure, heart disease, and even some types of cancers. Now, how to know if you have too much of belly fat? There is straightforward way to do it. Get a measuring tape and put it around your waist. Did it? Now you can check your guts. Keep in mind that you should do it while you are in standing position, not sitting, okay? It will be easier if you start and finish at your belly button. That will give you measurements that are more precise. Now, if you are a woman and your waist size is less than 35 inches, relax, everything is fine. However, it is more than 35 inches, then you definitely should consider this diet, secret of which are going to reveal very soon. And if you are a man, then the waist size less than 40 inches sounds pretty okay. On more than 40 inches should plump you, and the diet would be a good way out. Moreover, there are two types of shapes. A pear size when the hips and thigh are bigger than your waistline, and an apple size when your waist is wider than your hips and thighs. In fact, a pear size is considered safer than an apple size. Why? An apple size shows that you have too much of belly fat, which means that you have too much of visceral fat in your body. So, if your measurements show that you have too much of extra fat around your waistline, even if you are not obese or heavy, then you should consider some ways to say goodbye to it. Sounds like an uphill task. Oh, do not give up that fast. You will be surprised to know that this task can be accomplished within one day. In this video, we are going to show you can outstandingly effective and quick way to lose belly fat. And not only it have you ever tried dieting before, probably yes, therefore you know how exhausting it might be. This diet will not only make your belly fat, but also it will help you to lose unnecessary weight and burn those nasty calories. Moreover, you will get a purified body as a result. Ingredient. The diet consists of smoothies, juices, and teas. An extra amazing thing for our tea lovers. All of this stuff acts as a trained detox that additionally cleans your body very fast. That will give you a boost of energy, and the most important thing is that you will know the way of getting a flat stomach and will be able to use it whenever it is required. So are you ready to hear the most amazing diet ever? Here's how you can do it. You should start right in the morning. 8 a.m. drink a glass of warm water with some lemon juice in it. Good start. After a couple of hours, take another glass of warm water with apple or orange juice in it. Do you find it interesting? Then at night, get yourself a cup of green tea. Not bad. After an hour, you should drink a glass of cold water with carrot juice in it. At 3 p.m., take a cup of your favorite tea. Do you like it so far? At 5 p.m., have a glass of your favorite juice. That might be your favorite part of the diet. After another couple of hours, take one more cup of green tea at 9 p.m. Grab a glass of water with grapefruit juice in it. We are almost there. Hopefully, finally, after another hour at 10 p.m., you should finish the diet the way you started it. Have a glass of warm water with some lemon juice in it. The important thing is that you are not supposed to add any artificial ingredients to your drinks. It is probably hard to believe, but your tummy will become flat in just 24 hours. Moreover, your body will get rid of all the toxins. So what are you waiting for? Let's start it tomorrow. Do you know any other amazing diets? Share them in the comment section below. Don't forget to share your results in the comment sections as well. Do not forget to hit the like button below the video and click subscribe to join